What's up, you guys? It's Asia, and today I have something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing a jewelry organizer that I got off of Amazon. Now this is real fancy, girl, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the size of the box. As you can see, there are little specs in it, and I did find, like right here, this dent right here, this is a piece of glass right there. I did find like some glass in the outside of the box, so I am a little nervous. It is possible that it's broken, so we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the front. So when you're first opening up the package, it is safe for you to use a knife, a box cutter, or scissors. There is a piece of cardboard that's directly on top that's not a part of the mirror. It's keeping everything nice and safe. And then once you lift that up, you'll find that there's styrofoam as well. Now, I was nervous. I thought perhaps that my mirror was broken because of the glass on the outside of the box, but as you can see, it's wrapped tightly in saran wrap and there's no cracks or anything. So I was very happy about that. I then went on to remove the styrofoam from both sides of the mirror and from behind it. And as you can see, that saran wrap is really tight on there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off and remove it completely from the mirror. Once I got that off, I was left with a gorgeous looking mirror, and I went ahead and I opened it to see what was inside. That red string right there is just a part of the hardware, so bear in mind that it's just helping you to know where the screws and stuff are. So it's also some styrofoam on the inside, keeping everything nice and safe, and yeah, it was shipped very well. So this is what I was talking about. This is the package full of hardware. I'm going to be mounting mine on the door rather than the wall for the simple fact that the hardware that comes with it, I don't believe was strong enough to hold this up on the wall. If you wanted to mount yours up on the wall, I would recommend that you go buy the hardware from like Home Depot or something. But this is really fast and easy to do. All you do is take the 4 screws that come with the packaging and the little hooks, and you screw the screws into the back. I went ahead and I screwed them on the first 2 holes. And as you can see, there's a key that comes along with it as well, which is for the lock. And you just add the double-sided tape to the bottom, and this prevents swaying. So then I went ahead and I centered it on my door, and I made sure that it was exactly where I like it. And then I pressed the bottom into the door to stick the double-sided tape on it. So now I want to show you guys how I decided to organize it so far, and I'm also going to talk to you guys about the pros and the cons that I experienced with this item. Okay, so my jewelry collection is like a joke, girl. I don't have that much stuff, but I do have a lot of nail polishes. So when it came to the shelving, I really wanted to make sure that I maximize that with my nail polishes. And I was so happy that pretty much my entire collection fit, minus about 5 or 6, which is a total win. Then I decided to do hoops and bracelets here on the side. Now the bomb thing about this is that there is a large space here at the top for rings and studs. You also have a hook space, you have a pouch, shelving, and 2 drawers. And then here on the side, you have more space for earrings and necklaces. You also have a space for bracelets, and you have a hook space at the bottom. This is very spacious, like it is a jewelry hoarder's dream, or just someone who needs a little extra space. I love the fact that there's a total of 6 LEDs here at the top. So at the top of the mirror is where you'll find the compartment for the batteries and the light switch, and it just takes 3 AAA batteries. It's really simple to install, and the switch is easy. The left is on and to the right is off. So by clicking this on and off switch, you can totally illuminate the entire jewelry cabinet. It does a really good job so you can see without putting on the rest of the lights in the room. So this is definitely a big upgrade for me. Before this jewelry box that you just saw, I had this one right here. So my mom actually gave me this when I turned 16. I'm going to keep it forever because it was a gift from her. However, I kind of just got to the place where I wanted something grown, you know what I'm saying, something that matched my age. So I went out and I started
started looking, and girl, these are expensive. Jewelry boxes are expensive. I was looking at Kohl's. I couldn't find anything under $40 that was actually a jewelry box and not like trays. Then I looked at TJ Maxx, empty. Looked at Ross, empty. Looked on Amazon, and I was like, okay, it looks like the pricing is up there. So when I was contacted by the maker of this jewelry organizer, I was like, yes. This is totally out of my league, honey. So I'm definitely going to review it. Now, it retails for $120. What they did was they gave me a 50% off coupon code for all of my subscribers. So if you want to get this, girl, you can get it for $60, okay, with Prime, Amazon Prime. So that's free shipping. You'll get it in 2 days. That's a win. You're welcome. So you can floss just like me with a nice little jewelry organizer, girl. Treat yourself. So I have everything, like I said, linked in the description box. This video isn't sponsored, aka I'm not getting paid to tell you guys my opinion on it. However, I was sent this item for review, and I am an Amazon affiliate, so the link in the description box is actually an affiliate link, which means I'll get a little coinage if you purchase. I like to be open and honest. Integrity first. I keep it real on my channel. That's just how I do. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and definitely let me know if you add this to your beauty space. And I know you peeped those lights in the back. That is my new vanity mirror, and I did make that from scratch with these two hands, girl, and I recorded it from start to finish. So I hope you guys are ready. I'm finally coming back with some more DIY videos. It's been a minute, but I am so ready. I have 2 so far, and it's just going to keep going from there because I love DIY. So yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.